Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of Pokemon Go. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go here to above and you will search about Pokemon Go and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go here to this sign off for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.